Oh, hello, all you juicy McJuicersons. This is Mr. Baker, the Music Maker, coming at you with another Hot Chrome Music Lab tutorial. I've been getting a lot of requests for this particular artist, the juiciest of all worlds, the Juice WRLD. Oh yeah, I'm not too familiar, but he seems to be pretty popular. I know he's been doing collabs with Eminem and all other stuff like that. I made some other videos of that. You can check out my channel for more of that. But this is his most streamed song of all time. It's called Lucid Dreams. The dreamiest of all dreams. Oh yes, where you can see the sun both day and night. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just being silly. But that is the intro right there. Pretty simple. The only weird thing about it is the notes hop around. But let's hear it before we dive right into it. I got a sound set on strings right here. Because it's like a guitar-ish kind of tone in the intro. It sounds a little digital, but it's very kind of spooky, eerie kind of tune. Very little cool, catchy melody. The rhythm is very simple and repetitive, but the notes jump around a lot, and that's the only weird thing about it. But let's make it from scratch, shall we? Go to restart. We're going to go to settings first. The only thing you got to change on the settings is scale from major to chromatic. Because we need all the notes. Major just means the major scale notes. Pentatonic is only 5 notes. Chromatic is all the notes. Click the blue check when you're ready, and now we're ready to put stuff in. We're not going to put any drums in yet, because the intro is without drums. The drums don't come in until the whole creepy intro is finished, until the words come in right with the drums. Real strong intro. We're going to add some drums later, but let's go ahead and put in some notes. Well, first thing, I want to change the tempo, the speed of the song down here from 120 to 164. 164. Double click on 120. 164. Enter. Now our tempo is jumped up to 164 because this one moves a little bit quicker. Now we're ready to put some notes in from left to right. Stick with me here. Like I said, it's strange just because they hop around, but the spacing is the same because the rhythms are the same. So starts with this purple, skip one, then you're going to go down to this like forest green kind of weird thing, and then don't skip one and put this kind of orange right there. It's right above the red. So again, you skip one after the purple, then you do this shade of green and then this orange. Skip one, then do another purple. Skip one, and then do a yellow down here, which is 2 below this green right here. If that helps for visual reference. Like I said, it's weird because it hops around, but that's what gives it its sound. I'm going to go ahead and change marimba to strings because it is a string song. Don't worry about drums yet. Let's hear that again. Very cool. It kind of repeats the same idea over and over, but it kind of descends, which means it goes down. The shape of the melody goes down. So then it goes to this dark blue right here. Skip one like we did before, then the yellow here. And then we're going to put that same orange right there after the yellow. Skip one, do that same dark blue, skip one, and then do an orange that's 2 below that yellow. As you can see, the shape is practically the same. It just shifts everything down a little bit and stays in the same key. Let's hear it so far. Very cool. We're halfway done. Let's continue that shape by doing this green one next right here. The same forest green we had below. Skip one, do another one of these orange. See how it kind of repeats this pattern. And then we're going to do a pink right here. Skip one, do that same green. And then we're going to skip one and do that same orange down here. See that so far? All right, we know what comes next. Very simple. It's actually easier because it's only 3 notes. It starts with the same forest green right here, then skips down to that orange after you skip one. Same kind of pattern it had before, same rhythm. And then you're going to do, after you skip one after the orange, you have this shade of green right here. Like I said, the spacing is consistent throughout this for the most part, but the weird thing is that it hops down. But if you be careful with the spacing, you shouldn't be fine, have any issues. That's the entirety of the string intro. Let's hear it. Very cool, super dope. Now I said we would add some drums. I'm gonna put the basic drum beat of what's going on in that song too. Very typical hip hop drum beat. But if you want to throw the drums, you can. Boom, ga, boom, boom, ga, boom. And then it repeats that. So that's a circle, skip 2, circle, triangle, skip 1, circle, skip 1. That's bar 1. Bar 2 looks like this. 2 skips on the beginning of the gray, then a circle, skip 1, triangle, circle, skip 2. Let's listen to that. No, I changed my mind. Take that one out. Boom, boom, cat. Boom, pat, boom. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, leave that circle out. Scratch what I said earlier. It sounds okay with or without it. I just kind of prefer it without it. It feels right to me. Do that same exact thing for the next 2 bars. Boom, boom, boom. And that should be all of it. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Sounds good to me. Like I said, it's his most streamed song of all time. It's got over 1 billion streams. Super popular. I'm not really hip to Juice WRLD, so y'all got to keep turning me on to new music. If you got any more requests, like I said, keep hitting me with those requests. I'm happy to try to make them happen. If enough people ask for it, I'll dig it up and figure it out regardless. But thanks y'all for tuning in. Appreciate all the love and support. You know what to do. Smash that like and subscribe button. Check out other tutorials and tell all your friends. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Peace and love. Later.